Guys, so here's the last example. Problem 4, example 1. All right, now this one's a short paragraph for what's happening to the truck as it rolled. Be very specific, okay? So, um, first off, before I start writing, I just want to identify what I think are some crucial areas, okay? So, first off, this area here, okay? So that's my first section, and I want to take a close look at this, and let's notice that it starts off at zero velocity. So when I go to write, zero velocity means it's not moving, okay? Um, and then I've got this section here, all right? And it's that section is really steep, so it's rapidly speeding up. And specifically, it rapidly speeds up to, oh, let's see, about 0.6 meters per second. And then for this next section, for pretty much the rest of it, it gradually, why did it do that? That's interesting. There we go. I'm going to call that gradually slows down almost back to zero, but really back to about 0.1 meters per second. Okay, so now that I've just looked at some different parts, I can talk about what happens. All right. So I'm going to write, so it says write a short paragraph. I wonder if I can type. Let's see. All right, so it says, so I'm going to say like for the first, I don't know, almost for the first second, we'll say for, so almost the first second, the truck sits still. And then I'm also going to say like, I probably shouldn't do that. That's informal. I'm going to say like, it has a velocity of 0 during this time. Okay. And then I'm going to say, let's see. So I'm going to say something like, it then rapidly speeds up to 0.6 meters per second. It then rapidly speeds up to 0.6 meters per second. And then I'm even going to be more descriptive, and I'm going to say something like, it only takes, oh, let's see, like, it takes less than half a second to speed up. It takes less than one half of a second to speed up. And then I'm going to say it gradually slows down and takes, let's see, almost it takes 2.5 seconds to slow down. So I'm going to say it then gradually slows down to 0.1 seconds. It takes about 2.5 seconds to slow down. All right, so you'll see that I've got sections that describe. So in detail, I described the beginning section. I described the second section where it speeds up, and then I described the slowing down section in detail for each one using the numbers from the graph. I didn't just say sped up then slowed down. I talked about how long it took and what the speeds were. So now you guys are going to go on and try the next one.